Meaning of illiteracy.
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 Illiteracy. Illiteracy refers to the inability to read and write. It is a fundamental problem that affects individuals and society as a whole. Those who are illiterate face challenges in accessing education, employment opportunities, and healthcare services. Illiteracy also contributes to poverty and social inequality, hindering personal and economic development. Moreover, it can lead to social exclusion and marginalization, as well as limiting access to information and participation in democratic processes. Therefore, efforts must be made to combat illiteracy through education and literacy programs, to ensure equal opportunities and empower communities.